Okay everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to go through and one, show you how to start your magic page up, and two, I'm going to look at creating your central location. Now this is something I tend not to do until the end, but I thought I'm going down the list, so I'll go down in this order. Okay, so obviously add new. Now you can give your magic page a name, you can do what you want, but I tend to just go and press the publish button because I'm not that bothered, because what's going to happen is it's not showing me I'm showing the slug. Try that again, shall we? I must have pressed it properly the first time. And there we go. So basically, where that 103 is, then that's going to become like Leeds, Wakefield, or whatever. Okay. And like I say, what I tend to put in here is a lovely long spun title, which I'll show you how to do in later videos. Okay. So your central location. So obviously we've installed the Yorkshire database, so it's no good me trying to put Manchester in here because that's not going to work. So let's say we want to do Leeds. We put Leeds in, gives us the option there, and we click Leeds. Now as you can see, this has gone up 20 miles of Leeds. We get 375 different locations. Now, how many locations you build is entirely up to you. Because if we go, I can't remember how many was, but we say 100. Which I think was about the amount that we had. How many locations you make is entirely up to you, but obviously the bigger the amount of locations, the better your spin text needs to be to get it. I will keep anywhere between 300 and 500. Obviously some areas I'll do smaller, it'll just depend on what the area is that I want to cover and the reason I want to cover it. Well, in fact, I'll drop that down to 15 to be quite honest. So if we drop that down to 15, drops down 264 locations. So that's good enough. But even so, 264 locations, if you put a website up then instantly we've got 264 locations, Google's going to think that's a bit suspect. So what we have is this auto install locations. So if you click on that, what comes up is you get these little boxes here, that goes to 0, and then you get you choose option 1 here, option 1 or option 2. Well, we want to get rid of all of the locations that we've already built, so we do choose option 1. Okay, so they've now gone, and what I do is I do update. So now I know that I've updated that, but I'm starting from scratch. I've got no locations built. They are just, waiting in the wings to be built, and they will be built over the next 30 years. Now, this works off the WordPress cron, and the WordPress cron's not exactly bang on, so it doesn't always. So it's not going to start. If you file up tomorrow at 23:48, chances are it won't start it. And if I haven't put anything on for it to start, it definitely won't start it. So always start with something. So go in. I now always start with 10 or 20 or 30. Let's do 10, 20, I think 30 is a nice number to start with. Okay, so once you've done that, you just close that out. Now with 30, I'll now do update. So that's how to do your main locations and do your auto install options. Now what will happen, we've already created 30, so we've got 230 to create, and that's going to create over like sort of the next 30 days, so probably about 7 or something a day, something along those lines. Okay, hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.